This 2008 Nissan 350Z is unbelievably nice. It looks like a 6-month-old car. It has been obsessively maintained and babied by the original owner all this time, from new. Always a California car, always garaged. Some great upgrades like these lightweight Nismo Wheels and Nismo Exhaust, which is a factory option and passes smog, and it's all stock and authentic. But 6-speed, very fast. This car is really a fun car to drive and spectacular. Up and goes. That is fun. Yikes. Alright. That is a fun car to drive. Okay, so we're gonna start the 2008 Nissan 350Z. Great engine sound. Got the nav screen, radio, CD player. Have to take the gas. Great oil pressure, charging. Headlights, brights, turn signals, horn, and of course, wipers. Oh, and rear, oh, look at that, we got rear wipers too. Terrific. All right. Inside. Great exhaust note. Yeah. Great. The nav works. The air conditioning's cold, the heater's hot. It's truly ready to enjoy right now. Clean engine bay, consistent service at the Nissan Dealer, runs great. All the factory literature and CD, nice. All the books and records. Crystal clear taillight lenses. Beautiful wheels. Rotor peeking out. Big brakes up front. The Nismo wheels were a dealer option on this car. Crystal clear headlight lenses. Beautiful spoiler. I found a couple of little nicks here, but overall this original paint car is in amazingly good condition. It looks like new. It really does.